The training. It's intended for leaders who are responsible for agile transformation, obviously, leaders who are working with agile teams to help them grow more mature. So if you have a direct relationship with the teams. Also from an HR perspective, it would be very interesting. So HR professionals could also join just to support those leaders in their efforts. And then also Scrum Masters and Product Owners, of course, because there's a link between leadership and self-organization that they are trying to accomplish in the teams. So Scrum Masters, Product Owners are also a good audience for this training. The training is built up, of course, we'll start with first exploring why we're doing Agile. We always have to start with the why before we dive into the role of the leader. So why should we even do Agile in the organization? Once you know that, we are exploring what a leader can do in his role, because of course the role of the traditional manager will more go into an Agile leadership role. So what should I focus on? What are the focus areas as a leader that I should take into account? So what we are trying to accomplish is that in the training, it's not just one-way direction, me telling people what leadership is or looking at slide decks. It's more about having exercises with each other, sharing stories as well on what it means to be an Agile leader. So there's a lot of learning by doing going on in the training. Exercises first, or exploring, for example, what maturity is by taking cases, real-life cases into the training, of course anonymized, but still so that people can recognize their situation and apply it actually when they return from the training. So what you'll take home is, how do I fill in this new role of an Agile leader compared to what a traditional manager does? So what are the differences and what should you focus on? You will also explore what your relationship is with a more mature team. So once teams become more mature, probably your leadership style will have to change. You will explore how you can do that in a step-by-step approach. And what you will also take home is a lot of practical exercises that you could actually apply in your leadership team as well. So a lot of the exercises we do in a training, you just could, take them from the training and just do separate sessions where you could actually engage with your team, your leadership team, to help them understand their role better in this Agile organization.